Alright, YouTube. This is Kitchenaid Dishwasher that started leaking water in the bottom floor. And quickly trying to diagnose what the issue is. Most people were having issues with the water diverter seal that's on the inside of that sprayer. But after looking at the bottom, and you can hear it leaking right now. So looking at the bottom of where it was leaking, it was coming from the inlet valve, which is that blue valve right there. But whenever you do this, make sure you turn the power off. As you can see, that inlet valve is spraying a good stream of water, and it's coming from the housing. It's got a pinhole in the housing. That's insane. But anyway, inlet valve replacement it is.